What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to structure a push workout and some of my favorite exercises to help you build muscle and strength if you have access to a gym. So this routine has been specifically designed for people who are at the beginner level. However, if you're someone who's been inactive for a long period of time, then this workout will work for you as well. I'll be showing you how to exercise the three main muscle groups associated with a push workout. And those are your chest, shoulders, and triceps. I've also chosen equipment that you should be able to find in any gym. Alright guys, with that being said, let's head to the gym. Right, so let's jump straight in with what has to be one of the best exercises for your chest, and that is the dumbbell chest press. On here, the main thing to note is to try and keep your shoulders pinned back as you're pressing the dumbbells up and down to avoid shoulder activation. So next we have the dumbbell shoulder press. Now I like to have the bench at 75 degrees, but you could also try 90. The main thing to watch out for in here is not to shrug your neck up and down whilst you're pressing the dumbbells. This will activate your upper traps and not your shoulders. So try and keep a nice long neck while you move the weight steadily up and down. So the second chest exercise we have here is the chest cable fly. Now I like to set this up at the height just above my shoulder, and we're going to press from high to low. Again, the main thing to note on here is to keep your shoulders pinned back as you press the movement forwards. Next, for the shoulders, we have the single arm cable lateral raise. So on here, what's very important is that you don't come up higher than shoulder level. What that will do is that will just pinch the nerves in your neck and it won't be working your shoulders. So make sure as you come up, you come just to kind of parallel with the floor, straight with your shoulders, and then back down slowly. So now we're going to move on to exercising your triceps. And this is a great exercise, which is the rope pull down. Now on here, make sure your elbows are tucked into your ribs, and you want to make sure that you're not moving the top part of the arm. You want to push down, squeezing the triceps, and then splitting the rope at the bottom of the movement so that we get a good contraction on the tricep, and then slowly releasing back up. Last but not least, we have the tricep overhead extension. Now this is a great exercise to target the long head of the tricep. And the main thing to watch out for on here is not to let your elbows flare out too much. Try to keep your elbows as close to your head as possible, and then controlling the weight on the way down and squeezing and pushing the bar over your head nice and smoothly, and then back down. There you have it guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below, and consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on any new content. Take care, speak soon.